Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a fan of Notion like I am, you know how powerful it can be for organizing your life, work, or projects. Today, in this video titled, How to Make a Notion Template, 2025, we're going to walk through the steps to create your own custom template from scratch. This is super useful for 2025's updated features, making your workflows even more efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Notion account and the app open. Start by creating a new page. Click the plus icon in your sidebar and select Page. Now, think about what your template is for. Is it a daily planner, a project tracker, or maybe a habit journal? For this example, let's make a simple task manager. Next, add some structure. Go to the page and insert a database by typing and selecting Database. Choose a table view to keep it straightforward. Now, customize your database properties. Add columns like task name, due date, priority, and status. You can set defaults, like making status a select property with options such as to do, in progress, and done. Once your database is set up, populate it with sample data to test it out. Add a few rows with dummy tasks so you can see how it works. To turn this into a template, head to the top of the page and click the three dots. Select Duplicate or Make Template if available in your settings. Notion's 2025 updates have made this easier with a dedicated template button. After that, customize further by adding covers, icons, or linked databases to make it visually appealing. Remember, the key to a great template is reusability, so keep it flexible. Finally, save your template by duplicating the page and sharing it via a link if you want to use it across devices or with others. There you have it. That's how you make a Notion template in 2025. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without one. If you try this out, drop a comment below with your tips or questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.